So why I started network marketing 17 years ago is I was not doing anything actually. I was in a school and I was going there and I was going home, but I was not really pushing it. I was not doing the best that I could, just because the end goal was missing. I didn't know why I was at that school, and when you don't have a clear goal, then most of the time people, they just keep on doing what they're doing, especially when you don't have any serious alternative. So when I got that phone call from a cousin of mine, I immediately started to look and I was interested, and I saw an opportunity to work hard, because I don't have any problems with working hard, but I rather work hard for myself than work hard for somebody else the rest of my life. So that's how I got involved a long time ago already.